Good afternoon, folks. This is my first time doing a mechanicking video, so bear with me here, but I got an important piece of information I think we all need to share if you own a Fiesta ST. This is a rear caliper bracket, and we got our guide pins here. This one is normal. It works just fine. It moves in and out. Plenty of grease under that boot. Looked clean, you know, nothing too shabby. This guy, on the other hand, took me forever to get off. I mean, this thing was stuck on there worse than my 1999 Seville STS when I had a Cadillac. Please don't judge me for having a Cadillac STS. But what was interesting is I noted I cleaned all this out, and I've been cleaning on that for 20 minutes, but this only came off. I didn't touch this with a cleaner, a solvent, a lubricant, anything, and it is bone dry in here. Like, there's no grease at all. If I rub my finger in here, you know, it comes out, you know, no dirtier than it was before. Here, we'll do a new finger. You know, I mean, I'm getting nothing, and I should be getting all sorts of grease. If we, you know, pop this guy up, oh, it's not going to be cooperative, is it? Anyways, take my word for it there, unfortunately. But yeah, this guy was stuck. I mean, it does not want to free move in here at all. It's hesitating on every thing, and I've been cleaning it for a while, but yeah, public service announcement. If you have an ST, check your rear factory caliper guide pins. I've got 30,000 miles on this car. That is all. So it's actually technically in warranty. If I wasn't changing to a new compound pad, I would have taken it to the dealer and said, fix it. But it's on jack stands now, and I can't finish it until I'm done. So anyways, heads up, just check your caliper guide pins on your Fiesta STs.